Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, that's actually kind of an interesting problem. So that we're told that keeping the limitations imposed by the second law of thermodynamics in mind, we want to choose the wrong statement below. So which of the statements below is wrong? Um, we're told, again, a heat engine cannot have a thermal efficiency of 100%. That is correct because we can't have a low temperature of 0 and we can't have a high temperature of infinite. So that's correct. And then for all reversible processes, the second law efficiency is 100%. Well, that's kind of by definition what the second law efficiency is measuring, how far away from reversible it is. Then we said that the second law efficiency of a heat engine cannot be greater than its thermal efficiency. All right, well, I don't know about that. The second law efficiency of a process is 100% if no entropy is generated during that process. That is also correct because, again, kind of by definition. And then the coefficient of performance of a refrigerator can be greater than 1. That's true because the coefficient of performance doesn't really measure an efficiency. It's a different type of metric. So let's take a look at answer C. So if you remember the second law of efficiency in terms of the other efficiencies, we have the thermal efficiency and the reversible efficiency. Let's see here. Now, what we're told, we said that we know both of these things are going to be less than 1, or less than or equal to 1, right? They can't be greater than 1 with the second law, which means that this thing, since this thing is going to be less than 1, this thing must be greater than this thing. So C says the second law efficiency of a heat engine cannot be greater than its thermal efficiency. Well, that's not correct because the second law efficiency should be at least as great as the thermal efficiency. So that is the correct answer. Well, the incorrect answer is C, and so that's what we would pick for the correct answer.